Hello guys, this is Tiasha. Welcome to my channel Make It with Tiasha, and thank you for visiting. About me, I love making things, experimenting with different ideas, crafting, painting, etc. Whenever I get some time, I try to make something. I pick up my brushes, colors, or cardboard, scissors, glue, and just get started. So, here I am to share all those experiences with you. I hope you like my videos. I'll find some good friends and then we can make some exciting things together. What say? Please hit the thumbs up if you like my videos. And please do subscribe to my channel. It will really help me to upload more and more exciting videos for you guys. You can also click on the bell icon to get notifications when I upload a new video. So, let's start now. Wish me luck. Recently, I have set up my aquarium. This is my first time, and as a beginner, I wanted to share my experiences with you guys. Are you excited? Let's go see. Hi friends, so here we are. This is my aquarium. So they packed it, covered it with newspaper. I'm going to rip the newspaper off and clean the aquarium very carefully. I have got a filter which I will be attaching with the oxygen pump. I already have the oxygen pump when I bought the fishes, so I'll show you in few minutes. It's now in the fish ball where I'm keeping them temporarily, so I have set up the oxygen pump there. It's giving them oxygen, so I'll show you in few minutes. And also I bought fish food like it's like this. It floats on the water. This is my first attempt for an aquarium. Let's see how it goes. And yes, I bought some gravels. It's white little stones. I bought them. It's half a kg. And I bought colored stones already, which is there in the fish ball. I'll show you in few minutes. So I bought half a kg that time also, half kg of colored fish tank gravels stones. Those are little bigger than this, and I have got half a kg of this little white. It's the smallest stones. One. I have my ruler with me, so I'll show you the dimension. It's 1 feet ruler. So now if I show it, so it's, you can see it's exactly 1 feet in length, and in breadth it's like 6.5, almost 7, and in the height 9. So the dimension is 12 inch by 6 inch by 9 inch. So that's the smallest one available in this store. So yes, to start with, I got all these things: the stones, the aquarium, the fish food, and the filter, and very important oxygen pump, fish food, fishes, and aquarium. Those are the main important things. Okay, so I'll just go and show you guys how are my fishes right now in the fish ball, and then we'll come back and set this up. So here's the fish ball. I was already having it for some decorating purpose, so I'm using it as of now. You can see the tiny little fishes. I really love them. Yes, so you saw the aquarium. I'm going to shift them there because I think this is quite a small place for them. And yes, I already bought a pump when I bought them, but I didn't get the aquarium that time, so I got that. The pump is, oxygen is very important, so I bought the oxygen pump immediately. I'll show you how I am decorating or I'm setting the aquarium up. Okay, first time I'm doing aquarium. I am trying to adopt this hobby. I always wanted to have fishes. I'm cleaning it with the glass cleaner. You can use any glass cleaner which you use to, clean your furnitures or TV or refrigerator. So I'm using that one only. So the aquarium is ready. I have cleaned it. Now I have washed the stones, and also I have washed these stones, the white ones. Okay, so the colored ones I took it from the ball. Okay, so now I am going to make this one my face and this one my back. So I have a view in my head how I want to decorate my aquarium, how I want to make it look, but the main intention is to put some gravels beneath, but I want to do it in a way that it looks good as well. So I'll start with the white ones. This one I was already having in the fish ball you saw. This is an artificial plant, so I'm not having the real plant anymore. I'll go with the artificial plant. I also bought this one, so these two I bought. I cleaned them also. Yes, I cleaned the stones as well, and I cleaned them also. And this one you saw it in the fish ball, right? This one is a ceramic one. I bought it in the local mela where you can have these ceramic plates and cups and flower pots, There I saw this thing, and this is a real very nice thing, and I was already planning to have this in my house. Okay, I'm going to place this tree behind my house. Okay, and I'm going to place this tree here in the other end of the aquarium. Let's take some stones out, make place for this tree. The other reason I'm placing this tree here is I'm going to put my oxygen pump over here, and I want to give it a hiding. I don't want the oxygen pipe to be exposed in the aquarium. I saw the fishes are not that much comfortable when with all these oxygen bubbles and everything. So in the fish ball as well, you have seen that I placed it behind the tree. So here also I will place it behind this tree. So I'm making that arrangement. second. I will show you once I am done from front how is it looking. So I am placing these stones very carefully. I don't want to block the door of the house. I want my fishes to access the house, so I'm just placing the small stones in front of the house so that it doesn't block the entrance. Okay, I'm done with that. So I will place all these little gravels here. Done. This pocket here, it's for the pump, and here is my house. I will show you frontal view. Here is another artificial plant. Okay, yeah, I love how it looks. So now I will set up the oxygen pump and the filter. So I will fill this aquarium with water right now. This is a solution which will, remove all the bacteria and viruses from the water. So I will now put water in the aquarium and put few drops of this liquid here, and then we need to keep it for few minutes, and then we can put my fishes. So now I'm going to put the water. I have placed the aquarium on my table. This is how it looks. I have put the water purifier liquid here, and it's now sitting for a few minutes. And yes, I haven't filled it more because in the fish bowl I already have some water, and when I'll be transferring the fishes, I'll be transferring few water from there also, so that the fishes don't come to the entirely new environment. They will be having some of the old water. And now I also have attached the filter. So this is the oxygen pump. So this is the actual machine. It is plugged in here, and this is the machine. So one side it has the plug-in wire, other side it has the pipe which goes to the filter. So you have to attach the pipe over here. You have to attach the pipe here in the filter. So I have attached it. Now I'm placing it inside my aquarium. Turned it on so that the water gets some oxygen before I put the fishes there. So I have my fish bowl ready here beside the aquarium. I will be transferring the fishes now from the bowl to the aquarium. Okay friends, so my camera got switched off. I don't know how. So I have already put few of my fishes, so few are left. I'll show you. So I use this sieve. This is a normal kitchen sieve which was having a handle, but it's now broken, so I'm using this one. So yeah, I just grabbed the fish. So now I figured out, after grabbing the fish they jump, so if I put my hand on top of the sieve it helps. So yeah, so I'm grabbing them like this, and then I'm putting my hand on top of that, and then I'm releasing them in aquarium. Okay, and yes, I also have put few water from here to here. As I told you, they will have their natural habitat water, which they were already using, so it is very much recommended. I have read it, so now I have put few amount of water from my fish bowl to the aquarium. I will put some more, and then we will be finished. So here it goes. I have set up my aquarium. Let me know how it looks. I believe my fishes like it. I will let you know how they're doing. Please like it and subscribe to my channel. This is the first time I am doing it, and this is my first video, so please help me to carry on. Like me, tell me in the comment, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.